question. What other traffic strategies should I use to sell on Amazon? So I'm going to give you a really easy way of thinking about this. Here's a great site. I'm going to put it in the chat for you. If you can't see the chat, if you're like, what the frickin' hell is Neil talking about? The chat is just a question area. That's all that is, okay? Question area. Or you can just go to it yourself, www.similarweb.com, and then just type in amazon.com.au into that little part there, and you'll arrive on this page, okay? This is amazon.com.au. This is what they did. This is the traffic for July. So last month, 31 million people went to Amazon, blah, 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 90% from Australia, blah, blah, blah. So that's all cool. No worries at all. But really, when you're talking about traffic, what you want to be looking at is what referral traffic does Amazon in Australia have? So this is Australia. You can do .co.uk, you can do .com, whatever it is for you. But this ought to tell you where you should be running traffic. So these are your top referring sites. The top referring site is Oz Bargains. Oz Bargains is your top referring site. So if you want to get traffic to Amazon, right now, Oz Bargain is the top referring site to do that. Okay, so you ought to be on Oz Bargains to do that. I don't want to go into too much information about Oz Bargains, but suffice to say, go check it out, go figure it out. That's a lot of traffic sitting latent for you. Okay, next, search. Well, that's all very well and good, not really important right now for us. Social. So, which social media platforms provide the most traffic to Amazon? By a country mile, it is in Australia, YouTube. In Australia, it is YouTube. Now, I've covered YouTube advertising a couple of times now in my inner circle. I think I've already made no secret of the fact that we've increased our YouTube spending 600% quite recently. It's a great way of getting a shitload of traffic and sales for your Amazon products. Over and above, of course, doing Amazon PPC and Amazon SEO. Okay, so this is just extra ways of getting traffic. Facebook, look, gets a third of the traffic that YouTube does. Incredible. And then there's Reddit. Most folks probably don't even know what Reddit is. Instagram, and then Twitter. Okay, so YouTube is by far the largest social media traffic site that's sending traffic to Amazon. So where should you be? That's where you ought to be. They are your traffic strategies for Amazon. I love this website. Display advertising. Don't know if you guys know what display advertising is. Let me quickly show you. So this is Mashable. This is a website. And you can see on the Mashable website that there are, let's just scroll down. Ooh, Pornhub. I don't know anything about that. There are, let's just see. Well, that is an advert right there. That brighten up your day, follow us on Instagram. That's called a product placement. Typically, you would have an advert there, but Mashable has taken the space for themselves and have used it. Let's just see if there's anything else. Here's the Hyatt Regency. That's an advert. What else have we got? Oops. Let's just go back. And then all of the things at the bottom typically are adverts as well. No? I've messed it up. You fool, Asher. Oh, here we go. All of these are placements as well. You got any more for us? Tech, Mashable. No, it's doing its auto scroll thing. What's in here? That's an advert right there. How to use AI in e-commerce. That's an advert right there. So there's heaps and heaps of ad placements available on this particular thing, and that all comes from display advertising, okay? But as you can see, it's pretty tiny, the amount of display advertising being done. However, That is because most people have got no idea how to do display advertising. That's got nothing to do with the efficacy of display ads and everything to do with people simply not understanding how the hell to do it. So there's a lot of money to be made with display, but you can really lose your shirt on it as well. It's expert level stuff. Expert level stuff. There you go. So that's what I'd be doing in your situation. Hey, Neil here. Just before you go away, that was a question that I got asked on my regular Monday night Q&A session, which I have with the members of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. So if you're interested in joining us as an Aussie Online Entrepreneurs, then you can click on the link below to find out a lot more about that. And also, as a special thank you for watching this video, I've got a great book that I want to give you for free. It's a current bestseller on Amazon, and it teaches you everything that you would need to know about starting a business here in Australia on Amazon. So you can see that just up there. So if you'd like to get a copy of that for free, then again, just click on the link below and you'll get a copy of that. You'll get taken to a page where you can get a copy of that for absolutely free. Hope you enjoyed that little snippet from one of my Aussie Online Entrepreneur Q&A sessions, and make sure that you subscribe to my channel and also like this video. And if you've got a question that you would like answering, then post it in the comments below, and I'll do my best to answer it, whether on one of these videos for you or directly in the comments directly below. All right, thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you next time on the next of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs Amazon FBA Australia videos. See you soon.